Hello everyone, today I will show you how to lock Photos app with shortcuts on iPhone iOS 18. And here's how it is done. First, close the Photos app by swiping up to make sure it is not running in the background. Open the Shortcuts app, tap on the Shortcuts option at the bottom. Then tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new shortcut. In the search bar, type in Lock Screen and select it. Tap Done to save it. Next, we will set up automation. Tap on Automation at the bottom. Then tap the plus icon in the top right. In the search bar, type App and choose Photos from the list. Make sure Open is selected. Then tap Next. Choose the lock screen shortcut you created, then save. Now, whenever you open the Photos app, your phone will automatically lock. To unlock, use Face ID or your passcode. If you want to remove this feature, just delete the shortcut. And that is everything you need to know about how to lock Photos app with shortcuts on iPhone iOS 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.